What if the secret to unlocking wealth and abundance was already within your reach, waiting for you to recognize it? Many people spend their lives chasing success, yet they overlook a powerful principle that can transform everything. In this video, we'll reveal a life-changing concept that shifts how you view money, success, and your path to achieving it. Understanding this truth could be the first step toward a life of unlimited potential and financial freedom. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of shaping your reality. Wealth begins in your thoughts, specifically how you perceive money and success. If your mindset is stuck in scarcity, you'll likely focus on obstacles and miss opportunities. On the other hand, an abundant mindset turns your focus toward possibilities and solutions. This isn't just positive thinking, it's rewiring your brain to recognize opportunities you might otherwise ignore. Consider this: your thoughts act as a magnet, attracting circumstances that align with them. If you're constantly worried about lack, you're likely to find more reasons to feel that way. But when you train your mind to focus on abundance, you start noticing resources, connections, and ideas that can lead to financial growth. This process doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it becomes second nature. Visualization plays a crucial role here. When you picture yourself achieving financial success, your brain works to align your actions with that image. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience. By imagining your goals, you're activating parts of your brain that help you identify steps to reach them. The clearer your vision, the more effective this process becomes. Your thoughts set the stage for your actions. A wealthy mindset doesn't just mean thinking rich, it means thinking strategically, focusing on growth, and believing in your ability to achieve. The mind is the starting point for all wealth creation. Master it, and you're halfway there. Without clear goals, wealth becomes an abstract concept. What does financial success mean to you? For some, it's owning a home or traveling the world. For others, it's achieving financial independence or creating a legacy. Defining your goals is essential because it gives you direction, helping you focus your efforts on what truly matters. Clarity is more powerful than most people realize. When your goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound, they become achievable. Saying, "I want to be rich," is vague and uninspiring. But saying, "I want to save $50,000 in 3 years," gives you a clear target to aim for. It turns a dream into a plan. Once you've set your goals, break them into smaller steps. For instance, if your goal is to save $50,000, calculate how much you need to save monthly. Breaking big goals into manageable chunks makes them less overwhelming and keeps you motivated. Each milestone you reach reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed. Write your goals down. Studies have shown that people who write their goals are significantly more likely to achieve them. So keep them visible on your desk, your phone, or your bathroom mirror. This constant reminder keeps you focused, ensuring your actions align with your ambitions. Understanding the principles of wealth creation is one thing, but acting on them consistently is what sets successful people apart. Consistency isn't glamorous. It's about showing up every day, even when it's hard. But over time, small, consistent actions lead to massive results. Think of it like building a wall. Each brick you lay seems insignificant on its own, but when placed day after day, it eventually forms a strong structure. Whether it's saving a portion of your income, learning a new skill, or networking within your industry, these small actions compound over time. Consistency also builds discipline, which is crucial for long-term success. It's easy to make a budget. Sticking to it is the hard part. It's easy to start a business. Persevering through challenges requires grit. Consistent effort trains your mind to stay focused even when the rewards aren't immediate. Wealth is rarely the result of one big win. More often, it's the outcome of countless small wins accumulated over time. By committing to consistent action, you're not just working toward your goals, you're building the habits and mindset necessary to sustain them. Wealth flows to those who create value. This principle is simple yet profound. The more value you provide, the more opportunities you attract. Think about the world's most successful individuals. They didn't just chase money. They solved problems, improved lives, and provided something people needed. Creating value begins with understanding your unique strengths. What are you good at? What skills, knowledge, or talents can you offer? By focusing on these, you can provide something meaningful to others. This could be a product, a service, or even an idea that meets a need or solves a problem. Value isn't just about what you give, it's about how you give it. People are drawn to authenticity and passion. When you genuinely care about what you're offering, it shows and it resonates with others. This connection often leads to long-term success, as people are more likely to support those who truly care. Providing value also creates a positive feedback loop. As you help others, you build relationships, trust, and reputation. These in turn open new doors and opportunities, creating more avenues for wealth. Value is the foundation of sustainable success. Many people operate from a scarcity mindset, believing there's not enough to go around. This mindset fosters fear, competition, and stagnation. But abundance thinking recognizes that wealth is not a finite resource. It's limitless, created by ideas, collaboration, and innovation. When you adopt an abundance mindset, you stop seeing others as competitors and start viewing them as potential collaborators. This shift opens up opportunities for partnerships and mutual growth. Instead of guarding your resources, you share them, knowing that generosity often leads to greater returns. An abundance mindset also helps you see challenges as opportunities. For instance, a financial setback might seem like the end of the road to someone with a scarcity mindset. But to someone with an abundance mindset, it's a chance to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. Cultivating this mindset requires conscious effort. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you, and practice gratitude daily. By focusing on what you have rather than what you lack, you create a mindset that attracts more of what you desire. One of the most overlooked principles of wealth is the law of reciprocity. What you give to the world often returns to you, multiplied. This concept extends beyond monetary giving. It includes time, energy, and support. When you offer value selflessly, you create a ripple effect that benefits not just others, but yourself as well. Think about the relationships you built in your life. How many of them were strengthened through acts of generosity or kindness? By giving first, whether it's mentorship, a helping hand, or sharing knowledge, you foster trust and goodwill. These connections often result in unforeseen opportunities, partnerships, or referrals, which can lead to financial growth. Generosity also changes your mindset. When you give freely, you reinforce the idea that you have enough, which further cultivates an abundance mindset. You're telling yourself and the universe that there's more where that came from. This subtle psychological shift makes you more open to receiving abundance in return. Keep in mind that reciprocity isn't transactional, it's about genuine connection. True giving expects nothing in return. Ironically, this lack of expectation often leads to the most profound rewards. The wealthiest people aren't just rich in money, they're rich in relationships, trust, and reputation, all built on the foundation of reciprocity. Wealth isn't created overnight. It's the result of consistent habits compounded over time. This principle, known as the compound effect, is a cornerstone of financial success. Small, positive actions performed regularly can lead to extraordinary outcomes in the long run. Consider your spending habits. Small daily expenses like coffee shop visits or subscription services may seem insignificant, but over time these add up to a substantial amount of money. Conversely, saving even a small portion of your income each month can grow into a significant nest egg through compound interest. The same applies to skill development. Dedicating just 15 minutes a day to learning about investments, budgeting, or business strategies can make you a financial expert over time. The incremental knowledge gained compounds, making you more equipped to make sound decisions. This principle also emphasizes patience. Many give up on their financial goals because they don't see immediate results, but the compound effect rewards those who stick with it. Whether it's building wealth, growing a business, or investing, the key is persistence and trust in the process. Wealth without purpose can feel hollow. Aligning your financial goals with a sense of purpose not only makes the journey more fulfilling, but also ensures that your success has a positive impact. When you tie your wealth to a larger mission, you gain clarity and motivation that drive you forward. Start by asking yourself, why do you want to be wealthy? Is it to provide for your family, support causes you care about, or leave a legacy? Defining your why gives your financial journey meaning. It transforms wealth from a selfish pursuit into a tool for greater good. Purpose-driven wealth also inspires others. When people see that your success is tied to helping others or improving the world, they're more likely to support your endeavors. This can open doors to partnerships, investments, and opportunities that accelerate your financial growth. Aligning with purpose helps you stay grounded. Wealth can be intoxicating, but a clear sense of purpose ensures you use it responsibly. It reminds you that true success isn't just about how much you accumulate, but how much of a difference you make. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to wealth. Many view it as a setback, but successful individuals see it as a stepping stone. Every failure contains lessons that, if accepted, can lead to even greater success. Take financial mistakes, for example. Perhaps you've invested in a venture that didn't pan out, or overspent in ways that strained your budget. Instead of dwelling on the loss, analyze what went wrong. Was it a lack of research, poor timing, emotional decision-making? Identifying the root cause ensures you don't repeat the same mistakes. Failure also builds resilience. Facing setbacks teaches you to adapt, think creatively, and persevere. These qualities are essential for navigating the unpredictable nature of wealth building. The ability to bounce back stronger after a loss often sets apart those who succeed from those who give up. Some of the world's most successful individuals failed repeatedly before achieving their goals. They didn't let setbacks define them. They let them refine them. Viewing failure as a learning opportunity transforms it from a roadblock into a launch pad for future success. Gratitude is a powerful yet often underestimated tool in wealth creation. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a sense of contentment and abundance. This shift in perspective not only improves your mindset, but also attracts more opportunities for success. Yet practicing gratitude doesn't mean settling for less. It means acknowledging the progress you've made while striving for more. Celebrate small wins, whether it's paying off a debt, landing a new client, or reaching a savings milestone. These moments of appreciation keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Gratitude also enhances your relationships. Expressing thanks to those who support you, whether it's a mentor, partner, or friend, strengthens these bonds. These connections often play a crucial role in your financial journey, opening doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Gratitude creates a positive feedback loop. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you're likely to attract. It's a simple yet profound practice that aligns your energy with abundance, making it easier for wealth to flow into your life. Wealth isn't just about dollars and cents. It's a mindset, a set of actions, and an alignment with purpose. By applying these principles, you can create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Take these lessons to heart and don't forget, wealth is within your reach when you combine knowledge, action, and gratitude. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing for more insights that can help you unlock your potential.